Welcome to the Hammond Solutions channel. Well, as we discussed in our previous episode in this series, I forgot to convert a couple templates back to VMs before we did the cluster migration. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's get started. I just finished migrating my ESX host to a new vCenter. Before I did the migration, shame on me, I forgot to convert my templates to VMs. Had I done that, we would have seen our VMs and then right click and say convert to template. Would have been very easy. The way to fix this is if click on the data stores icon, and then we can browse down to our container that holds our VMs. Click on files. We could see a list of directories that are actually VM names. My VM naming convention for templates is TMP-. So I know the TMP-win-2022 has not been added to my list of templates. So if we sort by type, you can see here it says template VM. So all we need to do is check this one object and say register VM. I actually have a folder that holds all my templates, so I want to put it there. Click next. And then we click on our cluster because it could go anywhere in the cluster. Click next and finish. We can see that the template has now been registered. If we go back to our folders view and then we expand templates, you can see I have a CentOS 7. This is Ubuntu 2004, the long-term support, Rocky 8, Windows 2019, and Windows 22. I can use these to create new VMs from templates. All right, well, that just covered how to do a restore of the template. If you forget to convert it before you move the cluster, that's how to fix it. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for your time. Take care.